Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this humidifier that this brand sent to me for this video. And this is not the first humidifier that I tried. I tried many others. And I have to say that this one got me surprised a little bit with some of the really good features it has, but also has a nozzle that you can actually do in 360 and redirect to like another room if you want, or for like another person as well. But it has a nozzle that actually has a wide spread. You're gonna see that in just a second, how wide this one goes. It's a 6 liters capacity humidifier that comes with a remote controller and a digital display here, as well as the instruction. Just give it a read because there's some important facts that you need to know. But besides the 6 liters capacity, this one covers up to between 700 and 800 square feet. So I would say that it's good for, let's say, like a super big office or like a living room, or kind of like if you want for like a nursery or like a bedroom or something like that. It could be really good for that. Also, when you put in water on this one, you have two options. You can do this and put the water in here. You also have the lever right here, kind of like the handle to actually take it with you to the sink. Or you can pour the water from the top if you also want, kind of like right here on the sides. Just make sure not to drop any water on the actual vent. It also comes with this small filter right here on the back that if you want, you can drop a few drops of essential oils and make it to be a humidifier with some sort of aroma diffuser. It also comes with RGB lights, but check this out. Check how wide this thing is. This is actually pretty wide. It has a really big nozzle, and the RGB lights are gonna be kind of like on the inside. So at night, it can be a little bit of a really nice. Let's check it out. Check this out. And also probably, Alexa, turn off the studio lights. Let's see if it happens right now. Okay, so now you can see a little bit better of this RGB light right here. But check this out. This also comes with the sleep mode, so no lights at all, which I think it is really cool for no bothering with lights. Also, it has a humidity control right here that you can kind of like change as well. And also a warm mist, which is gonna give a little bit of a really nice and scent mist. Also a timer, and you can change the colors of the lights as well, or set it kind of like in an cycle RGB light. The mist control here as well, and you can see the buttons right here as well. And also this is gonna be on the max level, which again, it's actually pretty nice, I have to say. And of course, as I was just telling you before, you can redirect the nozzle to any other position. I have to say that this one may be one of the good ones to keep. I like it, and I do recommend it.